The world is getting digital. With the rise of social media, a lot of new ways to make money have emerged. Working from home is no longer a luxury, it's now a reality for so many people. It used to be that working from home meant that you needed to work as an independent contractor, and sell your services directly to clients. With the recent technological advancements, working from home has become much easier than it used to be. You don't need to have your own office and lease space anymore. You can now do it through online platforms and freelancing websites such as TaskRabbit, Fiverr, Upwork, etc. These services are called virtual assistants or virtual contractors. In this video we're going to discuss 5 best ways to make money from home with no money. In 2022, fast methods. Facebook ads. If you have some skill that you can market and sell online through affiliate programs, Facebook ads can be a great way to make money. If you have a product you can market through Facebook ads, you can make a decent amount of money. First you need to find a product to market. Make sure it's a product that people want and can use. There are a number of online tools that can help you find profitable products. You could also create your own products. If you have a skill that you can market and sell online through affiliate programs, Facebook ads can be a great way to make money. If you have a product you can market through Facebook ads, you can make a decent amount of money. Create an online course. Online courses have become very popular in the recent years. The popularity of online courses has grown immensely due to the rapid technological advancement. People are looking to make extra income with online teaching jobs. With the global rise of the internet, it's become very easy to create and distribute your own online course. There are many services that are available to create an online course. You can also use services like Udemy, Teachable, Skillforge, etc. There are many reasons why people create online courses. One of the main reasons is to build a brand and generate revenue. You can earn money by selling access to your online course. You can also sell a product that accompanies your course, like courseware and lecture notes. Online courses can be very useful to anyone who wants to learn new skills or refresh their knowledge. Become an influencer. Many people are choosing to become influencers because it's a very popular and growing industry. In order to be an influencer, you need to have a large following. There are many platforms and services dedicated to helping you build a large following. You can start small and try to build a following from your friends. You can become a public figure and create a brand for yourself. Basically, you are using the power of your social media presence to endorse products and companies online. You can also charge money for sponsored posts. Create and sell print products. Products that you create and sell online are called digital products. However, there are also many people who create products that they sell offline. For example, you can create and sell printed books, t-shirts, etc. You can sell these products through websites like Etsy, Amazon, etc. There are many reasons why people create and sell products online. One of the main reasons is to make money. There are plenty of people who are making thousands of dollars every month selling items online on Etsy and Amazon. Domain names. There has been a growing trend of buying domain names for a very low price and then selling it for a much higher price once the domain is Google indexed. There are many ways to buy domain names, but you need to be very careful when buying a domain name. You should always buy from a reputable source, like the registrar where you bought your original domain name. If you are buying a domain for a very low price, make sure you are getting the most out of it. The value of a domain name can increase or decrease very quickly. You need to be very careful when buying a domain name because you don't want to get stuck with an expensive domain name that isn't worth much anymore. Conclusion. Working from home isn't a myth anymore, it's a reality. With the recent technological advancements, working from home has become much easier than it used to be. You don't need to have your own office and lease space anymore. You can now do it through online platforms and freelancing websites such as TaskRabbit, Fiverr, Upwork, etc. These services are called virtual assistants or virtual contractors. In this video we're going to discuss 5 best ways to make money from home with no money. In 2022, fast methods. With all these options, it's easy to see why people are choosing to work from home. It is often said that successful people are those who have chosen to work from home.